Stick around to see the most requested game that my students love to play, and I think all teachers need to know, especially theater teachers. You don't want to miss this. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, I am Cheryl, the activity author, and I am here to teach you another favorite top requested game from my classroom. The kids always ask to play this. The game that I am about to show you guys is from my very own classroom, and it is called Captain's Coming. Now, I know this game is super duper popular. I know everybody plays it in their own special way. So don't come for me if you've heard of it in another way or heard different commandments and things like that, right? All these games have been adapted, so they have all been played in different ways. And guess what? You can make your own commandments. I always make my own commandments, and it keeps the game fresh, it keeps the game new, so be as creative as you would like. So this is just a disclaimer on how I play Captain's Coming, okay? Okay. Before I show you though, make sure y'all like this video, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know every time that I post. All right, so to play Captain's Coming, you basically have one kid that is saying the commandments, okay? I'm gonna break down all the commandments for you in a second, but the most important thing you gotta know about Captain's Coming is it's kind of like Simon Says, in a way where if you say Captain's Coming, everybody goes, aye, aye, Captain. And they have to stay in this position until you say the phrase at ease. So when you say the phrase at ease, they can relax their hand and go back to doing all the other commandments. Now, if somebody says Captain's Coming, you said, aye, aye, Captain, because I make my kids say that. Why not? And let's say they say Seasick. You can't do Seasick because you're stuck at attention, right? You have to wait for that phrase, which is at ease. Yes, so when that person says at ease, you can drop your hand, then you can be seasick. All right? So I'm gonna show you how my kids play this, and your kids are just gonna love it, so definitely stick around. At ease, seasick, swab the deck, climb the rigging, walk the plank, mermaid. Or guys, another way the guys can do it is, there you go, that's the option. All right, sorry, where was I? 7 dwarfs. All right, pause. Y'all take 3 steps back. Cause y'all out of, all of y'all out of frame. Okay. Shark. All right, good job. Lighthouse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no, sorry. All right, octopus. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, wait, let me see octopus. I don't see it. Okay, octopus is, there you go. Oh, I'm sorry. Other 2, you do not have a group, so you are out. All right, Captain's Coming. At ease, lighthouse. Oh no, sorry. All right, Captain's Coming. Shipmate. Oh no, I didn't say at ease. Sorry, we have a winner again, James, the undefeated champion. All right, and that is game.
We are playing Captain's Coming. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Captain's Coming.
Oh, no, Captain!
Swab the Deck.
Oh, you're out. I know.
Mermaid. Penguin. Say it louder, Dusola.
Penguin. Captain.
Seasick. Swab the deck. Okay. Oh. Canoe. Hey you, loving the video so far? Don't forget to like the video. It's right down there. Click that like button and hit that subscribe button so you can stick around and click that notification bell so you know every time that I post. All right, 7 dwarfs.
Beach whale.
Beach whale. Cabin fever. I think we did that one. So here's where we like to do the lightning fast round to get them out. So try to say the commandments as fast as you can and hopefully you'll be left with a winner.
Captain.
Titanic.
Jack, I'm flying! Aye, Captain. Aye, Captain.
Shipmate.
Wait.
Oh, you forgot she didn't say at ease. So we have a winner! Woo! Here you go. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Don't forget.
At ease.
What? Captain's Coming. It's very popular and it's a very physical game in a way. The kids are gonna definitely be physical. No, that sounds stupid. All right, I'm done. Oh, they're both out. I don't want both of you to be out. We need a winner. So try one more time. Oh crap! I almost dropped the phone. Do it again. That is it, guys, and that is how you play Captain's Coming. So I hope you guys play that in your classroom today. Play that today right away, and your kids are gonna love it, okay? So before you go, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know every time that I post. And guess what? There's some more videos coming up for you to click. I will see you on my next video. Bye!